The Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 is a compact, city car known for its simple design, easy handling, and affordable running costs. While the Alto 800 is primarily associated with markets outside the United States, it remains an interesting, small car option for viewers who want to explore practical and economical vehicles. Exterior design. The Alto 800 features a small and lightweight body that makes it easy to drive through crowded streets and tight parking spaces. Its compact proportions, clean body lines, simple front grille, and practical design give it a friendly urban appearance. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Alto 800 focuses on practicality. The cabin provides a straightforward dashboard, layout with the essential controls within easy reach. Its compact dimensions make it suitable for everyday commuting, especially for drivers who prefer a smaller vehicle. Performance and efficiency. The Alto 800 is designed primarily for economical everyday driving rather than high-performance driving. Its lightweight construction and compact size make it easy to maneuver around city traffic. Fuel efficiency and low operating costs are among the main reasons this type of car attracts budget-conscious buyers. Features. Depending on the model year and market, available features can include air conditioning, power windows, infotainment functions, digital displays, and other convenience equipment. Exact specifications can vary by version, so buyers should always check the official specifications for the specific model. Safety. Safety equipment can also vary depending on the model year and market. Features such as airbags, seat belts, and other standard safety systems may be available depending on the version. Anyone considering the vehicle should verify the exact safety equipment before making a purchase. Price and value. One of the biggest attractions of the Alto 800 is its focus on affordability and low-cost, everyday transportation. Since the vehicle is not officially marketed as a mainstream US model, pricing and availability for American buyers can be very different from markets where the Alto is sold. Final verdict. Overall, the Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 is a simple, compact, and practical city car designed around affordability and everyday usability. Its small size makes it especially interesting for urban driving, while its economical character makes it appealing to budget-focused drivers. For US viewers, the Alto 800 is an interesting look at how compact and affordable cars are designed for international markets.